Welcome to Oz English Quick Fix. This collection, 500 English Conversations for Beginners, is your fast track to speaking English confidently. Forget dry grammar rules. Here, you'll learn through 500 practical question and answer pairs, 1,000 lines of dialogue covering daily life, habits, and preferences. The material focuses on essential, ready-to-use phrases to build muscle memory for quick recall. Use them to understand conversation patterns, who, what, where, how, and practice out loud daily. Your goal: transition from simply recognizing English to actively speaking it. Master these exchanges, and you'll have the foundation for everyday communication. Let's start talking.
Where were you born?
I was born in the United States.
Where would you like to go?
To the beach, please.
Do you like meat or seafood?
I like both, but I eat more seafood.
Where were you last week?
I was in Tokyo.
Was it your first time there?
Yes, it was my first visit to Tokyo.
How are you feeling today?
I'm feeling much better than yesterday.
What did the doctor say?
He said I need to drink more water and rest.
Were you busy yesterday?
I was very busy at work and at home.
What do you want to do tonight?
I would like to go see a movie.
Can you drive a car?
Yes, but I don't drive often.
Why don't you drive often?
I usually take public transportation.
When did you get up yesterday morning?
I woke up around 8 a.m.
Did you sleep well?
Yes, I had a good night's sleep.
What do you want to do on vacation?
I want to try new food and relax.
My money was stolen. What should I do?
Go to the police station. They can help you.
You can do it, can't you?
Yes, I can. I'll do my best.
Does she speak French?
No, she only speaks English.
What time do we leave tomorrow?
We must be on the road by 8 a.m.
Are seats available?
Yes, we have 4 seats.
I'm gaining weight. What should I do?
Exercise is good for you.
How often should I exercise?
Try to exercise at least 3 times a week.
What are you worried about?
I have an important test tomorrow.
What subject is the test in?
It's a maths test.
Who's driving?
My friend is driving us there.
Would you care for a drink?
Just a glass of beer for me, please.
Beautiful day, isn't it?
It is absolutely perfect.
What are you interested in?
I'm interested in music and art.
When are you coming back?
I'm coming back on the 25th.
What did he say?
He said he will meet us later.
Is he bringing anyone with him?
No, he is coming alone.
What do you think?
I think we should wait a little longer.
Does this dress suit me?
Yes, it looks great on you.
Where's the restroom?
It's next to the kitchen.
How many children do you have?
I have 2 children.
What will you do tomorrow?
I will go to the park with my family.
Where is your sister?
She's in her room studying.
What is she studying?
She's studying English for her test tomorrow.
What are you doing?
I'm cooking.
What are you cooking?
I'm cooking spaghetti for dinner.
Who is your best friend?
His name is David.
Where did you meet him?
We met in college during our first year.
Have you ever been to a zoo?
Yes, I've been to a zoo.
Which zoo did you visit?
I visited the zoo in San Diego.
Where do you work?
I work at a local restaurant.
What do you do there?
I'm a waiter.
What is your favorite food?
I love pasta the most.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a dog.
When do you go to bed at night?
I go to bed at 10:30 p.m.
What do you like to watch on TV?
I like to watch thrillers.
Who is your favorite actor?
My favorite actor is Leonardo DiCaprio.
When is your birthday?
My birthday is in October.
What is your phone number?
My phone number is 524967.
Do you often go to restaurants?
Yes, I like eating out.
Is there a bank near here?
Yes, there is a bank nearby.
Are you new here?
No, I've lived here for a long time.
How tall are you?
Oh, I am 5.9 feet.
Do you play any sports?
Yes, I play basketball sometimes.
Are you American?
No, I'm British.
Do you have any allergies?
No, I don't have any allergies.
Did you read my message?
No, I'm sorry I was busy.
Are you free on Saturday?
Yes, I'm free in the afternoon.
Do you speak any other languages?
Yes, I speak Spanish.
How's the new colleague?
She's friendly and helpful.
Do you have any plans for vacation?
Yes, I'm going to the beach.
What's your blood pressure?
It's 120/80.
How's the stock market?
It's up today.
Do you have any allergies?
Yes, I'm allergic to peanuts.
What's your favorite TV show?
I love Friends.
How's your back pain?
It's much better now.
Do you have a gym membership?
Yes, I do.
What's your ring size?
It's size 7.
Do you have any children?
Yes, 2 kids.
How's the new diet going?
It's challenging but effective.
Do you have insurance?
Yes, health and car insurance.
What's your favorite holiday?
I love Christmas.
How's the new apartment?
It's cozy and well.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, a cat named Whiskers.
What's your hair color?
It's dark brown.
How's the new boss?
She's strict but fair.
Do you have any tattoos?
No, I don't.
What's on the menu?
There's chicken and fish.
How's the new car running?
It runs smoothly.
Do you have a bank account?
Yes, a checking and savings account.
What's your eye color?
My eyes are blue.
How's the new medication?
It's working well.
Do you have any hobbies?
Yes, I enjoy painting.
How's the new teacher?
She's knowledgeable and patient.
Do you have a credit card?
Yes, I have 2.
What's your favorite fruit?
I love strawberries.
How's the renovations going?
It's almost complete.
Do you have a bicycle?
Yes, a mountain bike.
How's the new haircut?
It looks great.
What's your zodiac sign?
I'm a Taurus.
What's your favorite dessert?
I love chocolate cake.
How's your headache?
It's gone now, thanks.
Do you have Wi-Fi?
Yes, the password is on the fridge.
How's the new gym?
It's well equipped and clean.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, an older sister.
How's the new recipe?
It turned out delicious.
Do you have any plans tonight?
Yes, I'm meeting friends for dinner.
How's your Spanish coming along?
It's improving slowly.
Do you have a printer?
Yes, but it's out of ink.
What's your favorite day of the week?
I love Fridays.
How's the new coffee machine?
It makes great espresso.
How's the new neighbor?
They're quiet and friendly.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, a goldfish named Bubbles.
What's your favorite vegetable?
I love broccoli.
How's the new diet going?
It's tough, but I'm sticking to it.
What's your favorite sport to watch?
I enjoy watching tennis.
How's the new computer working?
It's fast and reliable.
What's your shoe size?
I wear size 7.
Do you have any plans for the weekend?
Yes, I'm going hiking.
What's your dream job?
I want to be a writer.
Do you have any siblings?
No, I am an only child.
What is your phone brand?
I have an iPhone.
How often do you read?
I read every night.
Do you enjoy cooking?
Yes, I cook often.
What's your favorite subject?
I like history.
Can you drive a motorcycle?
No, I cannot.
How many countries have you visited?
I've visited 5 countries.
Do you have a nickname?
Yes, people call me Sam.
What's your favorite type of weather?
I love snowy days.
Do you like shopping online?
Yes, it's convenient.
What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed around 11 p.m.
Do you play any musical instruments?
Yes, I play the guitar.
What's your morning routine?
I drink coffee and check emails.
Are you good at singing?
No, I'm terrible at it.
What is the best gift you've received?
A handmade painting.
Do you prefer the city or the countryside?
I prefer the countryside.
How do you relax after work?
I listen to soft music.
What's the last movie you watched?
A horror film called The Silence.
Do you have a favorite quote?
Never give up.
How often do you travel?
I travel once a year.
What's your favorite type of restaurant?
I like Japanese food.
Is your hair long or short?
My hair is short.
Can I help you with your bags?
Yes, please, they're heavy.
What is your blood type?
My blood type is O negative.
Do you like taking photos?
Yes, I love photography.
What's your goal for this year?
To learn a new skill.
Are you feeling cold?
Yes, I need a jacket.
What kind of books do you enjoy?
Science fiction novels.
Do you have a favorite season?
I love autumn.
What is your shoe size?
I wear a size 9.
Do you prefer morning or evening classes?
I prefer morning classes.
Can you swim well?
Yes, I can swim easily.
What's your favorite thing to bake?
Chocolate chip cookies.
Do you use public transport?
Yes, I take the subway.
How long is your commute?
About 30 minutes.
What's the name of your cat?
His name is Leo.
Do you ever meditate?
Yes, I meditate daily.
What is your favorite number?
My favorite number is 7.
Are you free next week?
I am free on Tuesday.
What's the capital of Spain?
The capital is Madrid.
Do you like to go fishing?
No, I find it boring.
What is the closest airport?
The one downtown.
Can you help me move this table?
Of course, let's lift it together.
What are you saving money for?
I am saving for a trip.
Do you prefer hot or cold weather?
I prefer hot weather.
What's your favorite dessert?
Apple pie.
Do you follow any sports teams?
Yes, I follow the local football team.
Is there a market near here?
Yes, there is one across the street.
What time is sunset tonight?
It's around 6:45 p.m.
Do you need an aspirin?
No, thank you. I'm okay.
What's the difference between these two?
One is organic, the other is not.
Are you working tomorrow?
Yes, I have a morning shift.
What is your Wi-Fi router name?
It's Home Network 5G.
Can you lend me $10?
Sure, here you go.
Do you have any travel plans soon?
I plan to visit Asia.
What's your least favorite chore?
Washing the dishes.
How often do you cut your hair?
Every 2 months.
Do you like spicy food?
Yes, I love it very much.
What's the best time to call you?
After 7 p.m.
Are you watching the news?
No, I am watching a documentary.
What is your favorite quote about life?
Live and let live.
Do you ever drink tea?
Yes, green tea in the morning.
Is your apartment big?
No, it's quite small.
What's your current job title?
I am a project manager.
Can you fix this computer?
I will try my best to fix it.
How long have you lived here?
For about 3 years.
Do you know how to sew?
A little bit, for basic repairs.
What's your next big purchase?
A new television.
Do you have a favorite artist?
I like Van Gogh.
Are you going to the party?
Yes, I'll be there late.
What time does the lesson start?
It starts at 10 a.m.
Do you need help with your bags?
No, I can carry them myself.
What is your favorite memory?
My graduation day.
Do you prefer texting or calling?
I prefer texting.
What's the traffic like now?
It's very heavy downtown.
How often do you go to the dentist?
Twice a year.
Do you have a sweet tooth?
Yes, I love candy.
What's the biggest city in Canada?
Toronto is the biggest.
Are you ready for your test?
Almost. I need 1 more hour of study.
What kind of phone do you have?
I have a Samsung Galaxy.
Do you like roller coasters?
No, they make me sick.
What's the last concert you attended?
A rock band show.
Can you speak louder, please?
Yes, I will try to.
Do you prefer cash or card?
I prefer using a card.
What's your favorite kind of bread?
Whole wheat bread.
Is the museum open today?
No, it is closed on Mondays.
How do you spell your last name?
It's Smith.